boy.
Fucking bunch of quail walk out, fly up, and I'm doing 130. Boom, hits right against my arm. Fucking shit hurts. He just fucking, Mom and probably like 70 down that road. All of a sudden I'm like, oh fuck, deer. We all slow down. Fucking deer hits his bike.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like anything damaged.
Nothing, yeah, that's just a bug, dude. Right here,
Bro, his
bugs.
tire was like, fucking cars were, well, yes, they fucking stopped, but